All right, here's a quick tutorial on a couple features that we just upgraded you to. First thing first, we're on the back end, and what you're going to have to do is actually adjust the way that your current product descriptions are set. Not your product descriptions, but your product details. So your variants will be set up differently because now you have a new feature. Um, First thing first is I'm going to go, I already created a copy of a product just to get me started. So you have a bundle deal. All your bundle deals that you currently have set are preset bundle deals, basically forcing your customers to get what bundle deal you think they would like. So for example, what if I wanted to have 14-14 or 12-12 as a bundle deal? You're not giving me that option. So you're kind of pre cornering your clients into getting what you think should fit their head, or somebody who wants 430 inches or 326 inches. So this is the band-aid fix that most companies do to make it work, right? We've seen this across the board. So the new feature that you have that we just updated for you, I'm going to show you how it works. So the product that I duplicated was a product called Copy of Bundle Deal. So when I scroll down, I'm going to take the track quantity off just because I like to personally not track the quantity. Gotta go to variants again, and here's the difference. Typically, when you're creating a product for regular products, you would create your inches first. But for multi-select, you actually create the texture first and then the option of the bundles last. So, or whatever product that you want the multi-select to work for will be the second variant. So that's the way, the better way to explain it. So option one would be one selection. Option two would be multi-select. So I'm going to go with texture first. Go with straight, enter, body wave, enter, curly, enter, and water wave, enter. So those would be one options. But for the inches, we're going to separate it by one now. 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. So this will be the option for multi-select. So save that. Now once you got your product saved, remember the fastest way to do this would be doing one product, and if you got similar products like it, set all the prices correctly, and then you duplicate it with all the right prices. So that way it'll go across the board. So if all of 12 is 305, of course all of 12s wouldn't be 305, but let's just say I'm gonna give you an example. So I'll do 95. So I would do 95, 12, paste it, 95, paste it, 95, 95. Now I'll come back up. I'll do 105, Control C, paste it, Control C, 14, 14, and I know water wave is last. So I would do it like that. So I would go in and adjust each price like that, and then once I get done creating one product, duplicate that one product, and then continue to change the name and the images so that way everything is set up properly. So hate that you got to do this process again. There's no big rush in getting this done tonight. Remember, your store can launch the way that it is. It's totally fine. The feature that you just paid for is just an addition to help you get more sales. So it's not something that you have to have to basically have a viable business. That's just something that you upgraded to, that you saw value in. So going back into your customize theme section, you go to customize, and this is how you actually turn on the multi-select. The feature you have to do first is select the page. Standard sections here to the left, you won't see the multi-select in the selections. You actually have to change the page to from home page to product pages. Once you change it from home page to product pages, here now you see it says multi-select. I've already attached one, copy of bundle deal. So you see I've already attached it. The way that you do it, so I'm gonna do it from scratch. I'm gonna remove this. So you have to remove the product completely. Remove it. I'm gonna remove it again. All right, add multi-select, allow quantity, boom. I'm going to do the one that I know I did. Copy a bundle deal. All right, and all right, so that one is done. So if I want to see that product in motion, I can click here, go to bundle deals. Since you've already have it attached to the bundle deals collection, it should show me copy. All right, copy a bundle deal. All right, they'll pick their texture first, body wave, and then my multi-select will be 12, 14, 16. If I want 18, I can add 18. Or if I want to clear the whole selection, I can clear it and start over. So now this gives girls a lot of flexibility with adding hair. So they can add to cart, which will take them to the cart page, or they can buy it now and it directs them all the way to the final page. It takes them to the end of the checkout process. So this is going to accelerate the payment process. On desktop, you won't see Apple Pay because of course Apple Pay isn't on desktop. But if they have PayPal, they're logged in and PayPal, they should see Express Checkout. Sometimes it reflects on desktop, sometimes it doesn't, but it really basically speeds up the process of them getting the checkout. So that whole first part, we're done talking about the multi-select.